Just 911, discretion emergency.
Okay, I'm trying to put the password in.
You know the fucking password, bro. Open it.
I'm trying to open the door, okay? I'm listening. Please don't shoot me. Please do not shoot me.
Just 911.
No, please do not come around counter. Okay, I'm trying to open the dresses. Don't shoot me, please. Please do not shoot me. Okay, you have a gun. I'm trying to open the door. Please.
Open the shit, bro.
I'm trying to open the door. Okay, you have a gun and you're scaring me. You're scaring me. No, I'm opening the door. You guys go that way, please. Go. You guys go that way. He has a gun. No, do not open that.
Oh, is that what it is? I gotta figure all that out.
Yeah, sure.
They did vote, or what was this vote? They didn't nothing about that drink call.
They unlocked some shit. We playing, bro.
Okay, let's go on solo.
Shoot me!
I'm about to kick in. Stop playing first. I'm about to kick.
What's the name of the finance company?
I can't be my door. I can't.
Open it. Push that door. Yeah, push that door, bro. Press the button right there. Not press that button right there, bro. Unlock that shit. Hold right there. Stop killing me.
There's no button.
Yeah, unlock this shit.
There's no button. There's no button. I'm trying to open the door. There's no button.
I like to see him so much.
1500 series.
Please do not shoot me.
Yeah, I like to open the rest of it. Take the phone, bro. Stand that shit. Stand shit, bro.
What color is it?
You do not shoot me. Do not shoot me. Do not shoot me.
Open it. Stand it, bro. Oh, look at him, bro. Look at him. Don't talk to him. Yeah, because I'm fucking open that shit, bro. Stop killing me, bro. If you run your mouth, you're going to do it, man. It's not enough, bro. It's your fucking mouth. Stop killing me.
Roll address. Do we want to use that address?
What is this? This ain't nobody can pay you. Open shit, bro.
And you know, bad stuff happens. Right, so you don't go back to it. Right, anniversary, so that's what happened.
He runs to a nearby apartment complex and exits the apartment's property on Norfolk Blvd. In the top of the frame, you'll see Officer Mercado's marked patrol vehicle turn left onto Norfolk Blvd as Akins is leaving the apartment complex.
Victor 326 1097, all of us.
One to 96. 97 Victor 411.
8791, give them 1033.
Somebody ran? Okay. Yeah, we got Bravo Mike running. Put it out. Chasing down Norfolk. We're cutting into the church corner. I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Hey! Fucking get on the ground! On the ground! Hey, you about to get shot! Get on the fucking ground! You slow as fuck! Hey! I got a gun on the fucking back of your head! Fucking piece of shit! Alright, get on the ground! Hey! HQ Victor 326. I've been hit, but suspect's dead. He just shot me. Help. He's shot, I'm shot too. Help. Help. Get this tourniquet on me. Yeah. Yeah, I shot him in the head. He shot me in the leg.
Suspect got shot in the head by the officer. Officer got shot in the leg.
Hey!
What you got? He shot? Hey, we got an officer shot. Where you shot at?
173, keep rushing him out.
1020.
Went 9049 Norfolk. What you need? He shot in the head.
Yo, still got eyes on suspect. I'm gonna
Yeah, I shot him in the head.
Be advised, the suspect got shot in the head by the officer. The officer got shot in the leg. Oh, God.
I'm saying we have to reduce eyes on the suspect. We're around that area.
Be advised, the suspect is down.
26.
Good? Yeah, I got hit. All right.
All road traffic, 10-1, all road traffic, 10-1, 233 remains on the upper side.
You're gonna make it. You're gonna make it.
Hey. Oh, God. Here. I got one right here.
Throw it on.
Where at?
I got it. Upper. My shot's right here. I got it. Get me some clout. Get me some clout.
Oh, God.
One shot? One shot? Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, where's the zero?
I got the 0 right here.
411-173. What's the 1020 that the officer and suspect are at?
9049 Norfolk Boulevard at the intersection of Williamsburg Avenue.
Hey! I got a gun on the fucking back of your head. Fucking piece of shit. Go to the ground. All right. Excuse me, 3.6. I've been hit, but let's make it. Good.
Crime scene detectives responded to the scene during the investigation and collected Aiken's loaded 9mm Smith & Wesson handgun in the grass immediately adjacent to the location of the shooting. In this still image taken from Officer Swinton's body-worn camera footage, you will see that Aiken's gun fell with the muzzle pointed in the direction in which Officer Mercado was positioned when he apprehended Aiken's. Aiken's gun and the spent casing were recovered and examined by a forensic ballistics expert. This expert determined that the recovered casing was fired from Aiken's gun.